Ladies and gents, welcome back. Absolute beautiful day out here, but it is stupid hot. I didn't unload the bikes last night. I was tired. It was dark. So first things first, I guess I got to unload those, and I'm gonna do a little bit of running around. I gotta go ship some stuff we sold on eBay, and hopefully the heat will die down so we can get some work done this afternoon. Alright guys, the lift is filthy, but got the hubs here. I am going to put some heat tape on them, and we're gonna start prepping to do a little powder coating. Okie dokie, we're all set up now. I got this one all taped off. I don't have enough plugs for the holes, so what I'm gonna do is I'll just take my Dremel and clean them out a little bit. That's what I did with the last set of hubs I did, and it worked out, so we'll go from there. Fresh out of the oven, still got them all taped up, but we'll take the tape off and see how they turned out. So far they look really good, nice and shiny. Would you just look onto them? They came out pretty darn good for how rough they were to start. I'm really excited to have these wheels all put together and whatnot, but yeah, I think they look really good in gloss black with a little polish on there. Alright guys, we're gonna get those hubs shipped off to Hughes Bultaco. I think he's in Connecticut, somewhere on the East Coast. And they're gonna build us wheels and send them back. In the meantime, still gonna pull that thing down and throw the engine in it. The engine mounts are done. So yeah, making lots of progress. As always, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe while you're here, and we'll see you on the next one.